Hello, this is Heidi here. Okay, so this video is going to go through step 2 of our basic service page uploads. So in the instruction document, we are now going to be on the second tab, which is called SP Basic PT&H1 Uploads. So what that means is these are our basic service pages that we are implementing out. And this step, we are going to add the page titles and H1s to the templates. And we'll also do some updating to the forms as well. Okay, so this is the instruction document. As per usual, this includes all of the instructions, and this video will go through each one of these steps, providing more detail than might be in the instruction document. In this example, we're going to go through this first one here for Liberty Drywall of Sherwood Park. Okay, so you would have gone in and already done step 1, which is making the template for our basic service pages, and now we are going to do the initial upload of our basic service page information. Okay, so I'm going to go into Snaps and I'm going to go to Liberty Drywall of Sherwood Park, the site that is provided in the instruction document. Oh, look at this, I'm already here. Okay. So the first step is to duplicate the SP Basic template and rename as provided on the instruction document. So this is where we're going to go into Pages. Here would be the SP Basic template that you would have set up in the step prior to this one. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this page. I will provide a name in the instruction document to name this page. So then we're going to duplicate. As always, Snaps throws this down at the bottom of the list. So in the next step, I'll just show you quick. So in this next step here, I tried to explain it in the document, but I think it'll just be easier to understand by showing you. So these, all these different service pages are either going to fall under drywall services or painting services. So I'm going to provide to you what category that page falls under, and then we are going to drag it in Snaps accordingly. So in this example, this is a drywall service, the page we just created. So all that means is up here in our service pages, there should be a drywall services and a painting services. So we want to take this page, because it is a drywall service, we want to bring it up to the bottom of this list here. So all of our drywall service pages are here. We want to drag it to the bottom of this list. So I will just take that and drag it up here. There. So right above painting services, so the bottom of the drywall services list. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know. So now that we have our new page and it's in the correct spot, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our little gear here, and we are going to ensure that this is hide on all. So hide, show, and navigation, we're going to hide on all. So make sure that this little icon shows right here, which just means that this page is not part of our navigation. Okay, so next up is we are going to go again to our gear icon, and we're going to go to SEOs. Okay, so if you scroll up to the top, I will provide a page URL to you in the instruction document. Please just ensure that this matches what is provided to you in the instruction document. If it does not match, then go ahead and take what's in the instruction document and paste it into here. So no index is next. We want to ensure that this is a blue button here. So this step should already be done, but just ensure that this is blue because we do not want Google to index this page yet. Next up is our page title. Okay, so in the instruction document, I will provide a page title to you. Please copy exactly what is in the instruction document and paste it over any information that might have been provided already in here. So we want this page title to match what we provide in the instruction document. Next up is we are going to go down here to our page keywords. So I'm going to copy the page keywords that I provided and paste them into, oops, sorry, that is the page description. Don't do that. We want this in the page keywords. Okay, so that is all the SEO settings we're going to perform at this point. So we can now X out of the SEO settings. And now we're going to work on our on-page optimization. So first up is going to be your forms. Okay, so in your form items tab, if you scroll down to the bottom, we have a form title. So I will provide a form title to you in the instruction document. Please copy that over and then hide. So use this little eyeball, and we're going to hide that form title. Next up, we're going to go to our submission tab, and we're going to go to submission recipients, and we are going to update this email subject. So I'm going to provide to you the subject for the email, and we're going to paste it into there. Okay, so that is all we're going to do for this form. So if you go on and X out of there and go to your mobile view. So as per usual, some of these forms are going to not be connected between the desktop and the mobile view. It just depends on how the pages are set up. So we need to go into the mobile view and ensure that this form is also updated. So you are going to repeat the same steps. On the instruction document, it's step 9 and 10. So really we're just going to do the form title, update that, hide it, and then we're going to go to submissions, submission recipients, and we're going to update our email subject. Okay, and then we're going to X out of there. So now we know both of our form versions are updated. I'm going to go back to mobile view. And then what we're going to do now is in the instruction document, I'm going to provide the H1 to you. So each one of these pages should have an H1 text box up at the top. So you just want to paste over whatever text is on your page with the text that I provide. Make sure there's no extra spacing. I'm not sure why that happens. So yeah, ensure there's no extra spacing and ensure that this is formatted as heading 1. So you would have done this in the step prior, but this is where we need to make sure that this is styled as a heading 1. Then you're going to click the little check mark, and then this step is done. So this is where you will either move on to the next page provided on the instruction document or the next site. If you're moving to a next site, please just go ahead and use this home button up here. So do not publish these pages, just go to your home button and I will review them from there. Okay, any questions at all on this process, please let me know. It should be pretty straightforward, but let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.